Hi, welcome back to my Python series. Today, we're going to be learning about operators. Operators are symbols that help Python do math or make decisions. These operators help us do math or add strings. The plus operator adds integers, floats, and strings. The examples include 3.0 plus 1 equals 4.0, 6 plus 7 equals 13. But 6 plus 7 with the strings on both the 6 and the 7 will be 67 with strings. The minus operator subtracts integers and floats. Examples of this include 6 minus 7 equals minus 1 and 9.0 minus 4 equals 5.0. The asterisk operator multiplies integers and floats. Example is that 2.0 times 8 is 16.0. The slash operator divides integers and floats. Examples are 5.0 divided by 2 is 2.5. The double asterisk operator raises a base to some exponent. So 3 double asterisk 2 is 9. There are also comparison operators. The double equal sign checks if two items are equal. For example, 5 equal 5 is going to yield true, and not equal to checks if two items are not equal. So 5 not equal to 5 will yield false. The less than operator checks if the left-hand item is less than the right-hand item, and 4 less than 1 will yield false. And the greater than operator checks if the left-hand item is greater than the right-hand item. So 4 is greater than 1 will yield true. Okay, now let's try a few examples on VS Code. A equals 2, B equals 10. Yo guys, niche meme. 210. Anyway, back to what we were saying. C equals A plus B. And if we print C, we'll get 12, because 2 plus 10 is 12. Now if we replace that with minus, we'll get minus 8. Okay. Now if we multiply them, we'll get 20. If we divide them, it will be 0.2. Now if we raise this to the exponent, now this will be a very big number. 1024. Okay. Now that we know about the math operators, let's get rid of this line and instead do something a bit different with the comparison operators. Okay, now I'll give you a few seconds to think about what this yields. False, because 2 is not equal to 10. So the way to make this correct is to either change A as 10 or make B 2. Now it yields true. Okay. This will become true. And this will become true. And this will be false. But the way to make this true is by making B a value less than 2, since A is 2. Okay, that's true. Bye for now. See you next video.